Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to buy Hostinger hosting with free domain. To visit Hostinger website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger. Using my link will definitely support me create more videos like this, so thank you for your support. And if you need any help related to Hostinger, WordPress or affiliate marketing, just get your Hostinger using my affiliate link and then contact me at ben@bensexperience.com and I will help you, of course. Once you're inside Hostinger account website, go to hosting from the top, click on web hosting, scroll down a little bit, and there you have it. You have three web hosting plans to choose from. The first one, which is the premium, I recommend it for every beginners or people with starter website. I see it as it gives you enough storage, monthly bandwidth, and the ability to create 100 websites. And of course, you get free domain. If you want your website to have a better uptime and a little bit of more of speed, you can go with the business plan because it offers free CDN. And we all know that CDN makes multiple copies of your website and publish it in different data centers around the world. This way, your visitors will be connected to the nearest servers to their position. On top of that, you get daily automatic backups instead of weekly ones and double storage space compared to the premium one. The cloud startup, I recommend it for already established websites with lots of traffic, like e-commerce websites or blogs with lots of traffic. You also get a dedicated IP address and priority with customer support. Let's say you are a beginner and you are comfortable with the first hosting plan. Click on choose plan. Now select how much you want your first subscription to be, 1 year, 2 years or 4 years. As you can see, the 4 years plan gives you 3 months for free, and also the renewal price per month is affordable compared to 2 years or just 1 year. After that, you need to fill in your personal information. As you can see, they are all optional, so you can skip them. Now, after that, check that the total is correct. And after that, fill in here your credit card information. If you want to pay using PayPal, you can select it from here. Then click on Submit Secure Payment. Now click on PayPal Checkout. A little window will pop up. After you log into your PayPal account, select the credit card you want to pay with, click on Agree and Pay. You will be redirected to Hostinger website. For this question, you can skip it like that. Now click on Create a new website, or you can skip it if you want. Now claim your free domain. Fill in your domain name idea. In my case, I went with benstestinghosting.com. Click on search. As you can see, my domain idea is available. So click on continue. Now fill in your domain name details like your first name, phone number, email address, and your address, and also country. Now select your server location. It is better to select a location that is near the majority of your website traffic in order to get faster loading speeds. Click on Finish Setup and wait a moment. You are now ready. You can go to your control panel. And this is how to buy a hosting from Hostinger. One last important step in order to not lose your new domain name is to confirm your email address. Just go to your email inbox, open the email from Hostinger, and click on the verification link. Now click on the green button, and this is how to verify your email address to not lose your domain name. Thank you for watching. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe.